Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road, coming to you with another location to go to in Pennsylvania. We're gonna go over to the PA 32. We're gonna go head north from Trenton on the other side of the Delaware Gap. There we're gonna go up some through New Hope and beautiful town. Mom and pop shops, all artistic stuff there, good restaurants. You can sit down and have a good time, and we're going to continue that ride all the way through the back roads where the gaming area is, and from there we're going to head last to the Ringing Rock Park. That is going to be interesting. Stay tuned. Right now I'm facing New Jersey. That bridge right there up ahead will take me across. But what I did was I crossed in from Route 1 into Morrisville. So right now I'm heading north on the PA 32. So that corner back there where I just made a left onto, that's where my custom route's going to start. So I'm actually following a custom route that is going to take me all the way up north and then take me into the gaming area of the back roads. That's where it gets a little nice when you're off the main road. The other cool thing about my custom road is that I'm going to be visiting some covered bridges on the way. How cool is this? I'm following the Delaware Gap River all the way up the 32 here. And it's so freaking scenic. I mean, look how beautiful this road is. There's no traffic. Nobody's bothering you. I can do this all day on roads like this, especially PA and some parts of New Jersey. But no doubt, the back roads take the cake. I mean, they are the best. You know, I thought it was going to be a really sunny day out here because when I left New York City, it was sunny, and then I'm down here and it's like overcast. This scenic road just looks endless, like, and gorgeous. Wow. Okay, we just reached Washington's Crossing. This is an area with museum and park here. I need to come here again and visit because since I'm on this ride, this is what I'm doing today. Yeah, I didn't add this into my plan, but yeah, this has got to be a must do. I did do a little research on Washington's Crossing here at the museum, and I checked it out, and I definitely want to come down here. Here's the building. This is where you come in for the visitor center right here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to come down here another day. So it looks like I'm reaching New Hope now. Okay, so we just made it just outside of New Hope. And look at this. I think that's the mascot. I just can't get enough of roads like this. I mean, this is as country can get. Look at this. Look at this little twisty here. I mean, it's a stop sign, but it's gonna get better. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I could do this all day. These little twisties like this, man. Woo! Going through some towns is really cool. I love it to it. I mean, the scenery of looking at a town like this, so country-like. All right, here's our turn right here. We're gonna get off now the 32 and get on the back roads. This is where it's gonna get interesting. So our custom route here is gonna lead us to one of the first covered bridges. I see Old Glory up ahead. Ooh, I just seen a nice scene to take a photo. I'm gonna have to stop. Oh, look at that. Doesn't appear that I'm the only one on the back roads here. Well, according to my GPS, it appears that I'm here. And yep, there it is, right through the trees. I see it on the right. And it looks like I ain't the only one stopping here. Telling me to move up. Okay. Yeah, I'm here too, taking a picture. All right. I guess we're going off to the next one now. How cool is that, coming through a covered bridge? It's pretty bumpy too. All those planks going across make the bike bounce around. Man, how much more back road than this can you get? I mean, look at this nice little twisty right here. Although we are in the gaming section of Pennsylvania here, there's a lot of residential here, so I don't see how that these houses are close to where everybody's hunting. And there's the second covered bridge coming right up. So we're gonna pull over here to the right. I'm gonna get off the bike and take a couple of pictures. Okay, it looks like we covered 2 locations, or 3 if you're counting the town of New Hope. So off we're gonna go, and I guess we're gonna head over to a Ringing Rock right now. I'm telling you, these back roads in PA are just gorgeous. I just can't get enough of these roads. Okay, we are here. We just made it, and we're gonna pull over and get inside and start banging some rocks up. Let's see, find a good spot right here somewhere. Yep, I'm gonna throw it right here. I'm not going in that parking lot. There's too many cars in there. Okay, so we made it to Ringing Rock. I got my hammer with me, and we're gonna go inside and hammer some rocks and see if it makes a ting sound or some type of sound that they keep claiming. All right, see you inside. Okay, well, as you can see, there's plenty of parking here. I'm parked outside, as you saw. I'm not going to bring my bike in here. There's too many cars. So, stays outside. I'm walking in. Well, it seems like we're going to have to take a little bit of a path here to get inside. I'm not even sure where I'm going, but I'm following everybody else. I don't even know if you could pick up that sound, but I can hear the hammering going on back there. Way back there. I can hear all the tinging. Okay, we're on the path right now. Wow, look at all those people there. Everybody's got a hammer. Can you hear that sound? Don't come here without your hammer, that's for sure. Like I said, I got mine. But we gotta go over there.
Wow, it's a real boulder field over here. Check it out, man. Wow. And you gotta be real careful walking through here. Wow. How are we gonna do this? There's no like real path to get in there. Whoa, this is tricky. Well, oh, shit. Okay, I'm trying to get in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to put the camera away because I think I'm gonna need my hands to cover my fall if it happens. And of course, I'm wearing motorcycle boots. Whoa, look at that field. Hard to navigate this. I'm gonna try probably just going just a little bit in. I think I'm doing all right. A field of people and boulders. Look at that, how cool. Huh? Everybody's taking selfies too. Wow. All right. Well, which rock is we're gonna pound on here? Oh. Oh. Yeah. This is not easy. The good thing I have boxing training. I got good footing. I got good balance. And I'm able to do this. And look what I got, my camera in one hand, as you can see, and I got this on the other hand, and I haven't even touched any of the rocks yet. Hey, look, empty spot here. Oh, you hear that? That guy got a good sound. Oh. Do you hear that? Ah! You know how you can tell? Some of these rocks have these patches where you can hit it. Let's see what this one. Yeah, look at that. How about that one? Yeah, back to this one again. Yeah. I guess hit the ones everybody hit already with. Nope, that doesn't have a good sound. You can see this one's been hit a lot. Oh. Yeah. Got something out of that. Just I don't have musical ability, so I don't know. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna make my way out of here. I think I've been here long enough hitting most of these rocks here. You can see everybody's having fun. Look at all the little kids around. They're having a ball. Bring your kids, come in a car, forget the motorcycle. I come on a bike everywhere I go, and I find places to hang out. But all right, so I'm gonna make my way back that way to get back to the bike so I can get out of here. Talk to you in a minute. And that's where I came from that side right there. That's the end of the rocks over there, and it becomes a path back outside to the parking lot. So I'm not even in the middle, man. I mean, this thing goes way down there. Look at that. This is a pretty big field. Yep. Oh, gotta get that balance. Grab that hand.
I'm just balance. I'm old.
We all getting there.
I'm slow.
Let's see what this does. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, that had a good ting, huh? Wow, you hear that one? That one's echoing off this rock here. That's a... Okay. Look at this divot over here. You see it? Everybody's hit that one. Why not? Oh, that sounds like a thump. Try one over here. Nope. All right. Okay, guys, so I got you out here to the field, to the boulder field, ringing rock, and you've seen it. Come down with your own hammer and do your thing, man. Make musical songs or whatever. All right, so we'll talk soon. Okay, working my way back. Whoa, look at that. It's a little bit of a task. Okay, I'm almost there. Bye. Bye. Okay, I made it out. That was tricky without breaking an ankle. I'm on my way out right now, heading on this path back where my bike is. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, ringing rock in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Be nice everybody. Take care, peace. I fucking almost busted my ass not looking down. Let's try that again.